This customer wanted a pool school. This is our first time at this pool. The returns need to be set up for proper circulation. There are 2 returns on the backside. There is 1 return on this side. One return over this bench. And 1 return in the corner. I am going to set it up to turn clockwise. I will use a side slot return, here, and here. Side slot returns allow me to move water more horizontally down the wall, which is perfect for this pool. I will aim the jets like this, slightly down underneath the surface. This should allow me to get good circulation throughout the entire pool.
Jet set up that way. Got that one blowing there, that one blowing there, that one blowing up in here, this one blowing right there, which will help keep a current going up and around that. And then we're going to put a side slot on that one to blow back there. So the entire pool is going to move like this.
Setting the circulation up properly will save this client a lot of chemicals and troubles in the future. I highly recommend everyone look at how your jets are set up, and adjust them to turn the entire pool. This will make your pool easier to manage.